Hey everyone! Are you excited to learn artificial intelligence but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll share a complete AI roadmap for 2025, covering everything from Python, machine learning, deep learning, and more. If you're a beginner, don't worry, this step-by-step guide will help you go from zero to AI expert. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Step 1: Learn the basics of AI and ML. Before diving into coding, it's important to understand what AI actually is. AI, artificial intelligence, is about making machines think and learn like humans. Machine learning, ML, helps machines improve automatically with experience. Deep learning, DL, is a branch of ML that focuses on neural networks, how our brain works. Key topics to learn: supervised and unsupervised learning. Real-life AI applications. Step 2: Learn Python for AI. AI development needs a powerful programming language, and Python is the best choice. What to learn in Python? Basics, variables, loops, functions. Data handling, NumPy and Pandas library. Visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Step 3: Mathematics for AI. AI is not just coding, math plays a big role. But don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius. Important topics: linear algebra, vectors, matrices. Probability and statistics, mean, variance, Bayes theorem. Calculus, derivatives and gradients for deep learning. Step 4: Machine learning fundamentals. Now, let's start building real AI models. Key ML topics to learn: data pre-processing, cleaning and preparing data. Feature engineering, choosing the best features. ML models. Linear regression. Decision trees. Support vector machines, SVM. Model evaluation, accuracy, precision, recall. Step 5: Deep learning and neural networks. Want to build AI like ChatGPT, self-driving cars, or image recognition systems? You need deep learning. Key topics: artificial neural networks, and convolutional neural networks, CNN, for images. Recurrent neural networks, RNN, and transformers for text. Step 6: AI frameworks and libraries. To build AI models efficiently, we use powerful AI frameworks. Scikit-learn, for basic ML models. TensorFlow and PyTorch, for deep learning. OpenCV, for image processing. Step 7: Choose your AI specialization. Once you master the basics, you can specialize in an AI domain. Choose your path. Computer vision, image recognition, object detection. NLP, natural language processing, chatbots, AI assistants. Reinforcement learning, robotics, AI for gaming. And that's it. This is your complete AI roadmap for 2025. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below what AI topic do you want me to cover next. I'll see you in